Hello guys, welcome to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinola Kin. I am the lead instructor. If you are new to this channel, I welcome you. Please, after this video, if you like what you watch and you see something meaningful there, please appreciate by clicking on subscribe button, like button, and drop your comments on the comment section. And if you're already a subscriber, I welcome you to this video. So in this video, we don't have much to do. Let's just go straight to the point. On my screen, you can see I'm focusing on the spike. Yeah, based on popular demand that I should drop a spike strategy on how to catch spike for boom and crash, and I've gone a long way to discover this, and it's 90% accuracy. You know, I always tell you guys that no strategy is 100% accuracy. So no strategy unless you just want to deceive yourself. No retail traders control markets, so we only follow strategy and patterns. So that is what it is. So this strategy is 90%. I can even give it 98%, yes, because it is very effective. You can follow the rules that guide the strategy. So if you can stick to the rules, you will always be coming out with profit every day. You will always be coming out. This strategy is catching spike. You are not trading boomer. You are not follow the normal as we know, like buying cash and then selling boom. No, we are catching spike. We are going other way around. So on my screen, what you can see here is stochastic from level 20, 50 and 80, 100. Is 0, 20, 50, 80, 100. In the indicator window here, you can see the stochastic and the moving average. So moving average exponential. Hear me. So how does this strategy work? How can you know when there's going to be spike in the market? First of all, let's do some back testing before I show you guys how this strategy works and how you can use it on your own. So you can see, first of all, you have to your screen, your chart must be in second zoom rather. You know, this is the last zoom. So then you zoom out 2 times. 1, 2, and the time frame is M1. You can see that already. So now what else? Okay, your screen must be at the left end. What did I mean by that? Just tap your screen and hold it. You can see I can move this like this, so it must be at left end. You can see that's left end, so that is where your screen should be. If you have done that, leave it. So the last candle must be centered with the first candle. I'm coming in. Must be first candle with, you can see this first candle that I click right on it here. This first here. Your last candle must be centered with it. Sorry for that. So you can first do that. So now this strategy, this red moving average is stochastic and the green one is moving average exponential. So now you see this 80 to 100 zone. You know, we are in crash. If you are catching spike, we are selling, right? So, and when the market get to 80 to 100 region, which is the overbought region, yeah, so this moving average, one we first want to get to this region, so it may be the green one or the red one, but you have to wait for the second one to enter. I think the red one is the fastest one to get there. So as you can see here, you can see the red one enter here fast. Let me mark that out. You can see what I'm trying to explain here. So once the green one enter, don't let me use color. Once the second one enter this overbought region, then you click sell. Once it enter, assuming it starts from here. So assuming, let me bring that thing out here. So assuming, you can see you enter the trade, you enter the sell from here. So you will only, let's count. It's just 3 candles away from the spike. It's just 3 candles away from the spike after you enter from here. After you enter from here now. So it's just 3 candles away from the spike. Then you take the spike. I always tell my students, once the market, once this moving average, these two moving average, the green one, once it gets to this 50 level, this 50 level, you should close the trade. It should exist. You can see it, I indicate it there. So it should exist. Once you get to that level, you know you are scalping, so you should not stay long. Once you get to that level, some spike may happen that we pass through that level. It's fine, that is your luck. But once you see that the moving average has get to this 50 region, that green moving average, I will show you. The green one is my own moving average exponential, so I will show you. You can use any color of your choice, but I'm using green for the moving average. Once the moving average get to this 50 level, just exit the trade. So now let's do some back testing. You can see it here, but it doesn't. I told you no strategy is 100% accuracy. You can see it here too. Assuming you enter from here, as you sense the green moving average enter this overbought region, you place your sell. Place your sell. Then you lose like 8. You will be in red for like 8 minutes before the spike occur. You understand? You will be in red for like 8 minutes before the spike occur. You can see that if you enter from here, so the spike happen here. So you'll be in red for like 8 minutes before the spike happen. So let's go back again and see it happens here too. So assuming you enter from here now, sorry, you will be in red for like 4 minutes before the spike happen. So make sure these two moving average enter this overbought region. When you are spiking, crash, you know you are selling. So let's check boom too. Let's check boom. So this is boom. You know you are buying here. So when these two moving average enter this region here, that is the oversold region, 0 to 20 oversold region. So you can see here, see this here, as this green moving average exponential enter the region, the spike happen. Assuming you enter from here, you will only be in red for like just 3 minutes. Then you see this whoop spike. Like I told you, the spike can cross over the 50 region. So you can see this happen here. It passed through the 50 region to 80 straight. So you know how much you will have picked from that. The strategy is very effective if you have enough patience to wait till the 2 moving average enter the region. You can see it here too. Assuming you enter from here, then you wait. You will be in red for like 4 minutes before the spike happen. You can see the green enter from here, then the spike occur from here. So let's see another one here, another one here. So this strategy is very effective, very sorry. You enter from here, this one you are going to be in red for like 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Some people may not be able. That's why if you use, you must know how to use risk management. So you don't want to use high lot size. So if you use lowest lot size 0.2, you will still be safe. It won't take much from your capital here. So you're being red, you're being lost for like 10 minutes before the spike occur. After the spike even occur for the first time, it still drop down here, still drop down, then before it goes up. You can see that. So the strategy is one of the best. You can see another one here. So you enter from here, you enter from here. The spike up here, you only stay in red for like 3 minutes. So that is that. Hey, so guys, here we are. So there's one secret I want to tell you before the setup. You see, you will have seen this strategy before, but they are not going to tell you this. You see, before you enter the trade, there's some confirmation you must do so that you will not lost much. Let me see if I can see anyone that is close. Anyone that is close. Like here now, you are looking to buy. You can see that this stochastic here has dropped to 0. You can see that place is 0 now. You have to wait for this one too before you enter for that buy. Even if the 2 moving average is that oversold region, before you enter for the buy, you have to wait for this one to enter like 5. No, it's in 26 now. It must drop to like 5. Spike can happen before the 5, but if you enter like 5, you have low capital. Wait for it to enter like 5 to 3 before you place the buy. The spike will happen when this place gets to 10 to 0. The real spike will happen, but you don't know when it's going to happen between that 10 to 0. So you wait. Sometimes it's dropped to 0 before it happens. So, but if you don't have much in your capital and you place the trade when it is at 10, you know how much it's going to take from you before it gets to that 0. So it's going to take a lot from you. So you have to wait till it enter 5 or 3 before you place. Even if it's going to enter 0, you don't have much to lose when you enter at 3. So that is that. If when you are selling, when you are selling, like here now, here is 100. It's already complete 100. So you will wait, patiently wait for this one to enter like 95. If you know your capital is not much, if you have enough capital, you can enter from 90. Once you enter 90, you can enter once you enter 90. But if you don't have much, the rate spike will happen between 90 to 100. Though spike can happen before the 90, but the real one you need, according to this strategy, these are the terms and conditions applied with this strategy, and you have to stick to it if you want to remain profit in the market. So you have to stick to it. So you wait till this place gets to like 95, 96 before you enter the sell. It may get to 100 before it happens. So some people used to wait to like 98. Sometimes I take the trade at like 98. If I want to trade with like $10 account, I will wait till it gets to 98 before I place the sell, so that I won't be able to lose much. I don't have enough capital to accommodate the loss. That is why I waited to that time before I enter the trade. So if you don't have much in your capital, always wait. This first 100 is the one that you enter the 100 first. This moving average, this stochastic, this one will enter the 100 first. So you'll be patiently waiting for the second one to close to that 100. No matter how, when it gets to 99 to 100, the spike will surely happen. It can never exceed the 100. You can't see the 100. So that's why I say you can enter from 96 or 98, 95, 96, 98. You should enter. You can't see the 100 before the spike happen. I never see it. I have seen in front of the screen several times. I never see it. So the 100 will not happen. The spike will occur before the 100. So you should monitor your entry. So you have to stick. So if the spike happen before or what you are expecting happen, don't feel bad. It is what your strategy telling you. So you are not the one controlling the market. It is the strategy that is controlling your trade. So you should stick to it. So if you want to remain profit. So now guys, if you follow the rule, you should come out profitable. So you should have a profitable trade if you follow the rule. So now guys, let me show you the setup. So as we all know, just click on the F symbol here. So you all know how to do that. So you can see stochastic. So this is the settings. You can screenshot it or you can cram it. The period 20, D period 20, K period 20, D period 25, slowing 3, price feed low high, method exponential, and the main 2p sell. So here now you will change the this color to the background of your chart. If you are using dark background, you will change it to black. I change it to white because I'm using white background. So the main should be the background of your chart. So while the signal can be any color of your choice. So the level here now, so you can screenshot it. This is 20, 50, 80, and I'll put exist as 50. You can also do that if you wish. It's not necessary. So that is that about the stochastic. You can screenshot that, then click on done. You can see that. So now let me even delete it. Let me delete it so that we do it together. It's not as if somebody is doing something. And you can see my chart is empty now. So now let me add the stochastic first. So stochastic, this is the stochastic. You can see that here, stochastic oscillator. Click on it. So this is the settings. This is the settings, the level. This is it. So after setting it like this, then click on done here. You can see that. Just click on the done. You can see I have the stochastic here with only one indicator moving average. So let me add my own moving average exponential. So just click on this F symbol again. Click on the indicator window 1 here. So just click on that place. So then find moving average. So you can see the period is 10, the shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, style to pixel. So you can use the color of your choice here. So I use green. Just lift it like this and then click on done. Click on done here. Done. So guys, you can see here I get to 88. So if you are still waiting, so if you are waiting, if you just want to enter when this to enter this region, you will still be in lost till now. You can see what I'm trying to explain to you. So I will have wait to know what will happen in this video, but I have a lot to do, guys. I just said I should drop this here today. So but you can patiently do that on your own. I always say any strategy you learn from this channel before you enter into real trading, just first test it. That's one thing about forex. You have demo accounts to test any new strategy before you apply it into your trading. So you have demo. So this is not crypto trading, this is not Binance, not for sure that you use your real money. You have demo, you have chance to try it with your demo account. Try it with demo, confirm it before you use it. Not that because you just get one strategy on YouTube, you started using your money to take the risk. So no, don't do that. Use your demo to do the risk. So confirm the strategy first. Use like 2-3 days, confirm the strategy, see how it's earning you, see how profitable you are trading. Like calculate your loss, calculate your profit, and see how it's working for you before you now say you want to apply it into your real trading. That is just it. You can see it has entered 90 here. So if somebody don't know and they say, okay, this true moving average has entered this region, let me just place it, say the person will still be in lost. So nobody will tell you that. The secrets I just share with you. So you may see similar video like this on YouTube, but they will never explain that to you. So I just did that. So guys, if you test the strategy on your own and it's work for you, please come to the comment section, write something good. You understand? If you just thank you, I don't mind, it's okay. Like the video, subscribe. It doesn't consume anything from you. Please, that's so that you can be able to be dropping strategy every time. So those are the motivation we want. So if you still like few comments, so those are the motivation that will keep us finding some strategy. So we used to drop a lot of strategy here. If you check under this channel, you will see a lot of strategy on boom and crash, how to trade boom, how to trade crash, step index, volatility 75, even forex. So I dropped forex strategy last week, 50 ppd strategy, and strategy is working perfectly. So before I come here to drop any strategy, is what I've been using. I've tested it and confirmed it before I come up with a video. I don't just come up with a video and then, because I can't take people money at risk, I can't blow people's accounts. So it's not, that's why I used to say test it on a demo before you begin to use it on a real account. So guys, I wish you happy trading. So this is the end of the video. Please drop your comments. I want to see your comments. Even if the strategy doesn't work for you, please state it in the comment section.